Welcome to this video tutorial where we'll explore how to use images uploaded from an HTML web page using Python Flask. If you're working on a project that involves uploading and processing images, then this video is for you. In today's digital age, images play a crucial role in enhancing user experience and conveying information more effectively. However, handling image uploads can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to integrating them with your web application. In this video, we'll take you through the process of uploading images from an HTML web page using Python Flask. We'll break down the complex concepts into simpler parts, providing examples and analogies to help you understand the material better. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use images uploaded from an HTML web page using Python Flask. So, let's dive right in. To start with, we need to create an HTML form that allows users to upload images. This can be achieved by adding a file input field to your HTML form. The file input field will enable users to select the image they want to upload from their local machine. Once the user selects the image and submits the form, the image data is sent to our Flask server as part of the request. We can then access this image data using the request files dictionary in Flask. This dictionary contains a list of files that were uploaded as part of the request. Now let's talk about how we can process these uploaded images. One common use case is to save the images to our server's file system. We can achieve this by using the save method provided by the worksite library, which is a dependency of Flask. Another important aspect to consider when handling image uploads is validation and sanitization. We need to ensure that only allowed image types are uploaded, and that they don't contain any malicious code. We can use libraries like Pillow or ImageMagick to validate the image format and size. After we've validated and processed the images, we can store them in a database or file system for later use. This could be useful if you want to display the uploaded images on your web page or perform further processing on them. To recap, here are the from this video. Create an HTML form with a file input field to allow users to upload images. Access the image data using request files dictionary in Flask. Process and save the uploaded images using libraries like Worksite or Pillow. Validate and sanitize the uploaded images to prevent security vulnerability. That's it for this video. We hope you now have a clear understanding of how to use images uploaded from an HTML web page using Python Flask. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the concepts, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on programming and software development. And if you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with your friends and colleagues who might benefit from it. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.